Hi, I'm Adeline. Today I'm going to share about my design proposal of the Data Library of Victoria annual report. So here is about the topic. The brief was to design a functional, engaging, and memorable annual report for the library. Let's start with the library itself. This is the research of the library. So the Data Library of Victoria is the Australia's oldest public library. It founded back in 1853, which is a pretty incredible. It is not just a building full of the books, it is a culture hub with over 5 million items, from rare, manuscript, and photograph to digital collection. When I think of this library, I think of a place where history meets innovation and where anyone can come to learn, discover, and to be inspired. These are the research. So let's move on to the purpose and the values. So I include into 5 purposes, which are reflect on the past by evaluating performance, highlighting key achievements, and identifying areas for improvement. The second is celebrate progress and showcase the library's roles, central of connection, learning, and cultural exchange. The third is engage and inspire the community. The fourth is demonstrate commitment to innovation by embracing new ideas, technology, and approach. The last is approach the library future goals, including both financial priorities and community-focused initiatives. Let's move on to the next is a target audience. So this annual report is intended for government stakeholders, community partners, donors, researchers, and the general public who looks to the library as a leading cultural and education institution. So I think the design should present information with clarified and precision, making the library's achievement programs and the future direction easy to understand. Next, move on to the flat plan. So I have labeled it in the 16 pages with different categories. So I started with a brainstorm and asked myself what are the main things for the library stands for. So I came up with the 5 big themes, which are knowledge preservation, innovation technology, community engagement, learning education, and culture and heritage. So I use these keywords to doing my brainstorm and to expand my ideas for each aspect. This process will help me decide which aspect will become the central theme of my final annual report design. This is my concept development for the first one. So I will focus on the aspect of culture and heritage. The keywords are timeless, cultural, newspaper, and history. And the next is my concept development 2. I will focus aspect of community engagement and also the innovation and technologies. So the keywords are I will use the like bright colors, fresh and high contrast. So let's move on to the grade system. So I will like selection for the 2 different grade system, and for the grade system 1, I will mostly like using at the cover, and for the grade system 2, I will like using for the contents. Here is my creative direction number 1. I will use the colors like heritage, vintage. This is the first draft, and this is the creative direction 1 with a grid, and this is for my creative direction 2. This one is mostly like using the Illustrator. This one is the creative direction 2 with a grid. So I will consider with a different typeface. Like I will selection like heading for option 1 and option 2. I will try to exploit it. And my subheading and body text actually I will use for calibre, but in different like regular or the bold types. That's all from me. Thank you.